We're going to do a video on GameStop Stock, GEM Stock with technical analysis. We've got a daily chart here for you of GameStop Corporation. Let's take a look. We've got a blue 200-day moving average here on this daily chart, and you can see the stock is still below it. It had rallied up above it here in August, fell below the 200-day moving average, went back in a deep, steep bear market decline, came up and had a huge rally right here on the October 31st, and then crashed right back down, and actually didn't make new lows, but made a really good low down here of $21.89. It's since this week rallied all the way up, set a new high for this little rally of $28. So it had a good little rally on it there from $21.89 to $28 in the last couple of weeks. It's a nice little rally on this stock, even though the stock's going crazy and you can see it's very volatile. Still put in a nice little rally this week. So let's take a close look at it and see what we got going on. We're going to look at the hourly, the daily, and the weekly charts. So let's take a look at the weekly chart real quick and see what's going on longer term on this stock. As we can see, this stock's in huge turmoil. It's essentially going sideways all the way back here, at least until December 21, but you'll notice the volatility gets lower and lower. This volatility that we had here, this huge rally, just a continuation of the kind of volatility the stock's been having for a long time. You can see it went down here, made a low, but it didn't make a new low, which is extremely interesting. No matter how volatile this stock was, it still did not make a new low, and that's a positive sign. You'll notice, you can see this upsloping 200 week. It has an upsloping 5 week. Of course, it's got a downsloping 20 weeks, so that's not good. But it is above the 200-week moving average, so it's not in a bear market on a weekly chart. It's amazing, but that's true. It's also made a new high this week, and that's the first time it's done that, obviously, in a couple weeks. I'm not trying to be overly optimistic about this stock, but in general, it's trading right across the middle here at this $27, $28 range, which is where it's been for over 2 months. So let's take a look in terms of average prices. Let's take a look at the hourly real quick and see what's going on with this stock. If we scrunch this up, we can see that we're trading right along the 200-hour moving average. So what does that really mean? It means people can't figure out what this stock is worth. They're trading it right across this as we just said, this $27 range all the way back here since October 4th. And there's really there's not a whole lot of understanding of what the value of this stock is, and they're trying to find the understanding. They pushed it up, it wasn't there. They pushed it down, it's not there. So they're really claiming fair value in this stock just by looking at this chart. It's around $26 to $27 is what they're saying. So what's going to cause this stock to break out? Well, the first thing, it needs to be able to push in one direction or the other and be sustained. And as you can see, it hasn't been able to do that, at least not since all the way back here since September 7th. So it's going to have to require a push in one direction or the other, and then keep going in that direction. We're either going to have to violate this high here of 28.28 or this low here, whatever that bottom low is, $21 and some change, I think. We're going to have to violate one or the other. Now, it sounds really simple and it sounds obvious, but the reality of it is that's what it's going to take to get this stock out of its trading range. Until then, this is pretty much dead money in this little center range here. Doesn't mean you can't day trade it or even swing trade it, because clearly people are, but it does mean that for all practical purposes, somebody wants to hold it longer, it's going to be stuck between $24 and $27 until this breaks out of this top here or this bottom here. So that's my best guess on, for entertainment purposes only, on GameStop. Let's see what RBM Research says about it. I'm not sure if we even follow GameStop. We do, and we put these out every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. We had for GameStop to Friday the 18th, we had zeros across the board, which basically said they didn't think it was a good day to buy. You can get access to all these, including Monday morning's GameStop entry prices at rbamresearch.com. No credit card required. 14-day free trial. Link in the description below. Just head over to rbamresearch.com, put in your email address, and get access to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, and the most liquid futures contracts algo prices for all of them, put out every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use our entry prices or commentary for anything other than entertainment, and you always trade at your own risk, and you should always do your own analysis. If you like these videos, you can get one custom made for you for stocks, forex, or futures. There's another link, a separate link in the description below for that. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a comment for us, please leave it in the comment section below.